Hello everybody, this is Technicya with another tutorial. Are you tired of paying yearly high fee of Microsoft Office? There are several free Microsoft Office alternatives that contain similar versions of Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access. Here are 5 best Microsoft Office alternatives. Number 1. SoftMaker Free Office is an Office alternative for Windows, Mac, and Linux computers. Plan Maker, spreadsheets, presentations, and text maker, word processing, are included, all of which can open and save files in several popular formats. All 3 portions of SoftMaker Free Office work with the file types supported in the newest version of Microsoft Office as well as older ones. There's also autosave, background automatic spell check, and lots of options you can customize to your liking. Number 2. LibreOffice is a replacement for Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Access for Windows, Mac, and Linux computers, while adding a few extra features. 6 separate programs are included that make up the suite: Writer, Word Processing, Impress, Presentations, Calc, Spreadsheets, Base, Databases, Math, Formula Editing, and Draw, Vector Graphics, and Flowcharts. You can install it on your computer or use the portable version. You can open files from your computer or remote locations like Google Drive, OneDrive, or an FTP server. Each of the MS Office alternatives can open, edit, and save to formats that are compatible with versions of Office back through 2007. Number 3. WPS Office is free software with a version for Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS. Apps include WPS Writers, WPS Spreadsheet, and WPS Presentation. It's a lightweight and fast app to use. It has customizable interfaces, so you can choose the favorite menu style. It also supports tabbed document editing, like in a web browser. This platform also has an integrated cloud with 1 GB of storage included, but this service isn't available for Android. Number 4. If you're looking for a Microsoft Office free edition, this is the closest you'll come. While it's not exactly an Office alternative since it's from Microsoft itself, Office Online offers web-based versions of Word, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, and Excel online at no cost. Files can be edited only when saved to your OneDrive account, which means you must upload files there to edit them with Word, PowerPoint, or Excel. Any file type that works with Microsoft Office products works with Office Online, which means you can edit any file and save a copy to your computer or in OneDrive. Number 5. Google Drive is a free storage service offered by Google that also creates online documents without downloading any software, making it a perfect Microsoft Office replacement. Log in with your Google account to create documents, presentations, and spreadsheets to replace MS Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Files created with Google Drive are automatically saved to your Google account, accessible from any browser at any time, and can be shared with anyone, even if they're not a Google user. Google Drive also supports simultaneous collaboration with other users in real time, and allows add-ons to be used to extend functionality. Existing Microsoft Office documents can be opened from your browser, and then converted to a Google Drive format for easy editing and sharing. If you like this video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Technicya. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in my next tutorial.